Since 1986, Crosstown has been a leader in metal fabrication across Western Canada. There's a reason why top-name entities utilize Crosstown and its new ArtMet division. The highest quality materials, local, artisan labor workmanship, flexible, custom options, all of which are backed by professional personal service. Crosstown's products and installations are of the highest quality, produced in an environmentally responsible manner, along with the highest worker safety standards. Crosstown is a family business that's proudly old school. It's all about integrity and results.
Crosstown Metal Industries, how may I direct your call?